Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of aquarium filtration with the MarineLand Penguin 200 Power Filter, a true game-changer for fish enthusiasts. If you're looking to maintain a clean, healthy aquatic environment for your underwater friends, look no further. Let's explore why this filter stands out from the rest. First, let's cover the basics of the MarineLand Penguin 200 Power Filter. This filter is designed for aquariums ranging from 30 to 50 gallons and offers an impressive flow rate of 200 gallons per hour, ensuring your tank stays pristine. One of the standout features of this filter is its patented bio-wheel technology. The bio-wheel provides exceptional wet-dry biological filtration, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. These bacteria play a crucial role in eliminating toxic ammonia and nitrate from your aquarium, keeping your fish healthy. The MarineLand Penguin 200 Power Filter delivers multi-stage filtration, addressing mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration needs. It's a comprehensive solution to maintain crystal-clear water and a balanced ecosystem in your tank. Compatibility is essential when choosing a filter. The MarineLand Penguin 200 is designed to work seamlessly with MarineLand right-size filter cartridges, ensuring efficient and hassle-free operation. Make sure to check the sizing recommendations for your specific setup. While some filters can be noisy, the MarineLand Penguin 200 is designed with noise reduction in mind. Its two-piece vented cover and adjustable mid-level intake strainers contribute to a quieter aquarium environment. Keeping your filter in top condition is essential. Fortunately, the MarineLand Penguin 200 makes maintenance a breeze. Simply follow the manual for easy setup, and remember to prime the filter with aquarium water before plugging it in. Regular cartridge replacement and cleaning are straightforward tasks to ensure optimal performance. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what other aquarium enthusiasts are saying. With over 37,000 ratings and an impressive 4.4-star average, customers praise the MarineLand Penguin 200 for its ease of cleaning, performance, and value for money. Some users appreciate the soothing sound of the bio-wheel, while others find it therapeutic. In conclusion, the MarineLand Penguin 200 Power Filter is undoubtedly one of the best fish tank filters available on the market. Its patented bio-wheel technology, multi-stage filtration, and ease of use make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced fish keepers. So, if you want to provide your aquatic pets with a clean and healthy habitat, consider the MarineLand Penguin 200 Power Filter. Don't forget to check the product link in the description below for more information and to make your purchase. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more fantastic product reviews.